Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your computer or laptop from USB bootable pen drive. Installing Windows 11 from a USB drive is easier than it sounds. Here is a complete step-by-step guide to getting Windows 11 running on your computer. Windows 11 has created a lot of buzz amongst tech enthusiasts. It has an engaging interface coupled with a bunch of user-friendly features. If you plan to switch to Windows 11 on your PC, here's how you install it from a bootable USB drive. So without wasting time, let's started. Installing Windows 11 from USB drive. Now that you have a bootable Windows 11 USB drive, it's time we start the installation process. Turn off the system on which you want to install the Windows 11 and plug in the USB drive. Now, press the power button to turn on the computer. Then press F12 to go to the boot menu. Other motherboard boot menus are different, such as F2, F10. Press as soon as the computer is turned on. Now, select the USB bootable pen drive that you earlier booted using the arrow key and then press enter. The system will take a couple of minutes to get things ready. Do not turn off the computer during that period, even if things don't appear to be progressing at all. After a while, the Windows setup screen will appear. Select the language, time and currency format, and the keyboard or input method, and then click on Next at the bottom. Next, click on the Install Now option. The Activate Windows screen will launch next. Enter the product key in the space provided and click on Next at the bottom. However, if you don't want to enter the product key right away, click on the I don't have a product key option. Proceed with the installation and enter it once Windows 11 is installed. Now, select the operating system that you want to install from the list and then click on Next at the bottom. We installed the Windows 11 Pro OS. Click the Accept box and click Next. This will indicate that you accept the terms of use. Click the Custom Install Windows Only Advanced option to continue with a clean installation. If you've deleted all the existing partitions, your hard drive space will be unallocated and you'll need to create new partitions. But this hard disk is new. To create new partitions, click Drive Options, Advanced. Now click New and choose the size for your new partition, then click Next. Windows will now create a new partition for storing system files. Click OK to accept. Repeat this process if you wish to create more partitions. Once you've finished creating all the partitions you want, except the one for storing system files, select the partition where you want to install Windows 11 and click the Next button. If you have an old hard drive, you will format the C drive in this way. You don't have to do the previous procedure, just click Format to format the partition. Follow the way I am formatting. Next, select the drive in which you want to install Windows 11 and click on Next at the bottom. A notification box might appear informing you that, if the partition you have chosen contains files of the previous version, they will be moved to a new folder. Click on OK to continue. That's it. Windows 11 will now start to install on the computer. Wait for the installation process to complete and the computer to restart. Now, set up the Windows by following the on-screen instructions and you will be working on Windows 11 in few minutes. Windows 11 will install itself and may restart a few times during this process. When it's done, you'll see the normal setup interface you see when setting up Windows 11 on any new PC, where you can add user accounts and adjust various settings. While you wait, Windows 11 shows you the status of its getting ready activities. Windows 11 is getting ready to finalize its installation. During this step in the installation procedure, you might witness a couple of restarts. Don't worry, they are normal. Verify your region and keyboard input. When Windows restarts, it will ask you to verify your region and keyboard input. If these are correct, click Yes. If you have internet, choose Yes, and if there is no internet, click Don't have internet. Then click on Continue with limited setup. Thereafter type your computer name and type the password. Choose your privacy settings and click Accept. Windows 11 takes a while to prepare your computer or device, apps, and settings. This process may take some time. So be patient. Wait for Windows 11 to finish everything. When it is done, you are logged in, and you can view the Windows 11 desktop. Congratulations, you have finished installing Windows 11 on your PC, all by yourself. I hope this video helped you to install Windows 11. Please share it with your friends. Also, if you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.